Hi, this is Mithu and I wish all my viewers a very happy Durga Puja. This is a traditional Bengali makeup with that iconic red and white sari. Without further delay, let's start with eye makeup. I am using L'Oreal Brow Kit and this shade is very natural and it does stay long. To clean up the lines and as a base, I am using M.A.C concealer palette with a flat brush. Using a small amount of product, blending throughout and setting it up with Studio Fix powder. Try to avoid using lot of concealer because it's difficult to blend and kind of leave marks and lines, especially around the crease. Now, cranberry from M.A.C is a very nice eyeshadow, goes with a lot of Indian attire. Starting from my outer corner of my eyes with a semicircle motion and using a fluffy blending brush. Blending brush because it picks up less color and gives a smooth transition. To add depth, I am using a black eyeshadow and of course I have to blend if there is any sharp line appears. Now you can stop here and jump straight to liner and mascara. But I kind of thought of doing a cut crease. So this is how you can create a guide. Make a line around your socket with the same concealer and the same flat brush. Process is the same, blend and set it with powder. To pack and give a dense color, I am using this flat eyeshadow brush and use a lighter corner to give that contrast. And for the transition shade, I am using orange from M.A.C and then adding a bit of black and sweep it through. The same shade follows in my lower lid and then kajal and mascara. Now I want to show my cut crease, so the liner would be a thin line. Using lashes, but I cut them into half and only applying them in the outer corner of my eyes, so that the cut crease doesn't cover. There you go. I have given all the product details and their link in the description box if you wish to check them out. Please do like and subscribe my channel. I wish you all again a very happy Durga Puja. Thanks for watching. See you next time.